You want to make a custom writing system for your conlang, video game, or something else. You're at the right place. Start by defining the goal of your writing system. Will it be a script that will be made out of geometry, or will it be a completely abstract fantasy writing system? Let me show you something. This is one of the primary symbols of my conlang, a modified version of letter A. I made some paths that can make a mascot character out of it.
Mascot character, that's me.
Yes, but that mascot can be used to define other letters. So let me show you how to make other letters. First of all, you should define what letters will be used. Your alphabet might be different, so let's use the order of the Latin script. To make custom variations of the first letter, try to use this template. You can use one of these 4 shapes, but you can also draw your own shapes of the letters. You can order the alphabet letters like this or choose a different order. If you want a more abstract look of the letter A, do it by randomly scribbling the letter shapes. Try to make the random scribbles more simplified, just like this symbol. But if you choose to make a script with both uppercase and lowercase letters, you will probably want to make different symbols for the lowercase letters, just like the letter A, for example. Let's see how to make other letters. For the letter B, try to draw it by scribbling or using these shapes. You can draw the letter C like a triangle, or try to make it different from the majority of writing systems in the world. You can draw the letters D, E, and F randomly or choose the template of the previous 3 letters. You can make the predefined symbols in order to make your writing system standardized. Try to play with the first 6 letters. Put some symbol to the bottom, make it upside down, or duplicate the symbol if your language has W as a letter or sound. With this practice, you can make an entire writing system for your language. Here is how I did that for my conlang. I have designed a script by using this symbol as the main form.
You're using me as a symbol.
Yes, Willy, but I have modified the symbol and made some variations out of it. For the letters S and I simply made a circle, just like the letter C. But for the letters P and R, I have used the first letter but with a different symbol on top. The letters M and N are mirrored, and this is how they look like in cursive. While G looks similar, it only has a difference in the line. It isn't straight, like on the letter N. The other letters are made to resemble the mouth shape when pronounced. Now, when you finish the main writing system, try to make the cursive version for writing and import it into drawing software.
But I prefer the default Latin script. Why are you making a custom script?
Well, that's because I just want to play with various scripts and with drawing letters from scratch. I have an iPad, so I can make the letters in digital form. Let me show you the drawing process.
Drawing, but this is not an art class.
Here's what the final script looks like.
This looks interesting.
Thank you. You can try to make custom letters, diacritics, or anything you want. You can also play with the letters and make digraphs or convert double or triple vowels into one character. This will turn your script into a syllabary for your language. You can now test the script with any word you want. I will pick the word for my website, Cosmobot, or a character name, for example.
The script looks very creative.
Thank you, Willy. Depending on your conlang, your writing system could have different symbols. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to create a simple writing system that will be different from the rest of the world. As I mentioned before, I provide paid services for language creation, so whether your main goal is to create words or make an entire language from scratch, here is the final list of services for conlang creation. As you can see, these are the final prices of services. The word building package has 2 variations. If you want 10 words, you will pay additional $2, while if you want 20 words, that will cost $5. For the complete conlang creation, you will pay $9 per lesson or $12 if you want to create a custom writing system. If you are interested, send me a DM on Instagram, and we can make a Zoom call together. I accept PayPal as the payment method. If you want more videos about conlang creation, consider subscribing and I will make more videos in the future. Stay tuned and happy learning!
Make sure to watch these videos.